Oh boy, a box is here. There's a box at the door, there's a box at the door. Is it mine or yours? I've never seen it before, but there's a box at the door. But what's in the box? What's in the box? Is it a pillow or a monkey or a bunch of socks? What's in the box? What's in the box? Oh, looky there! It's a star! It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points. Oh, that's a very good star. Let's make a wish. Oh, there it goes, our shooting star, off to carry our wish away. Hooray! Thanks for wishing with me. See you next time. Bye.